Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Shopkins Oh So Real Mini Packs for ages 5 and up. For a limited time in limited quantities at select Walmarts, you can find Oh So Real Mini Packs that have real brands. Pringles, Fruit Loops, Pop-Tarts. To me, this is awesome because I like using mini packs in the dollhouse as grocery items for our dolls. This is a real shopper pack. It has 12 mini packs and 12 Shopkins. There is a Shopkin inside of every mini pack, and these were priced at $14.97 a few days before Christmas. On the back of the box, there are pictures of the mini packs, a list of contents. On the side, it says, Oh So Real Mini Packs are the same brands you find in the supermarkets, just made mini. But these cute items are packed full of Shopkins. Who will be hiding in your favorite foods? Let's open these up for a closer look. In our first Real Shopper pack, we have a collector's guide that shows us all of the items in this collection. It looks like there is a total of 24 Shopkins and 24 mini packs. So let's open them up to see the Shopkins inside. In this box of strawberry Pop-Tarts, we have Lollipoppins, which coordinates with the collector's guide. So by looking here, we can tell which Shopkin is inside of each mini pack. In this box of Rice Krispie treats, we will find Breaky Crunch. A can of Chef Boyardee beefy ravioli has Fasta Pasta. This box of fudge stripes has a Keebler elf on it. It opens like a shoebox and contains cheeky chocolate. Sour cream and onion Pringles comes with Boohoo Onion. Kellogg's Fruity Snacks is a real little tiny Ziploc bag that has Strawberry Kiss Shopkins. Swiss Miss Hot Cocoa Mix opens to the side and contains dollops. Marie Callender's Dutch Apple Pie is paired with Fifi Fruit Tart. Manwich Sloppy Joe Sauce opens to reveal Garlic Rose. This is a box of Hebrew National Beef Franks, and inside we will find Frankfurter Fruit Loops. This box is so perfect for my dollhouse, and it comes with Juicy Orange. Oval Redenbacher's Popcorn has Corny Cob. In the other Real Shopper pack, we have Mother's The Original Circus Animal Cookie with Delish Donut. I like this little box of Cheez-Its. And inside we have, feels like a block of cheese, so we can say hello to Cheesy. This container of Bluebonnet spread is plastic, and it is absolutely adorable. It's different from all of the others. It looks the perfect size for our 10 to 12 inch dolls. And this is toasty bread. Okay, so maybe this container is a little large for our 10 to 12 inch dolls. It might be better for an 18 inch, but I'm gonna make it work. We can just say it's family sized. Peter Pan peanut butter comes with Breadhead. Welch's grape jelly has Scotty. This is cute. Now the dolls can make a PB&J. A little box of Eggo waffles with the Shopkin Googie inside. Brown sugar cinnamon Pop-Tarts with the Shopkin Fairy Crumbs Kid Cuisine. That is going to look so cute in the dollhouse. And the Shopkin is Cheesy Bee. Rotel diced tomatoes comes with Silly Chili. Original Pringles is paired with Crispy Chip. Hunt's Petite diced tomatoes comes with Sherry Tomato. And that is a perfect match. Our very last Oh So Real mini pack is Frosted Flakes. And this one comes with spilt milk. Now you have your milk to go along with your cereal. I love how the mini packs are real brands. And these are collector's edition Shopkins that have the little medallion in the back to let you know which season they came from. These are so adorable, we have to make a display. Craft time! Carefully take apart the doll packaging. The back of the box is made out of paperboard, so we're going to use this for our display. Trim off the top, trim the sides, cut 2-inch and 1.5-inch strips of foam board. Cut 3 2-inch strips to be 8 inches long. Glue them together to make a small platform. Cut 2 10 inches long, glue them to the sides. Take the back of the box and glue it between the sides. When trimming, I cut a little too much off on the sides, so I cut thin strips of metallic scrapbook paper, glue them on to fill the gaps. Take the 1.5-inch strips, glue them on to make shelves. Take the leftover packaging, cut where needed to fit the front of the shelving unit, and decorate them. I'm borrowing some packaging from another box so I can get all of my shelves decorated. And it gives me more inventory to stock the shelves. And now we have a display case for our oh-so-real mini packs that we can use in our doll grocery store. I am keeping the Shopkins inside of the mini packs because the extra weight helps to provide a little more support and keep them from falling off the shelves. Even though some of the sizes are a little off, it makes a great background. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at oh-so-real mini packs. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.